Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something super special for you. Quick fasting recipes to double your fat burn in 2025. Let's dive right into it. First up, a cold brew collagen elixir. This is no ordinary coffee, folks. Blend iced coffee with hydrolyzed collagen, and you've got a drink that not only wakes you up, but also reverses overnight catabolism. Add a dash of cinnamon and chia seeds to keep those insulin levels in check. Harvard found this combo can boost ketone production 2.3 times more than your usual bulletproof coffee. Plus, using pre-frozen ingredients cuts your prep time down by 78%. Quick meals, if you've ever rage-ordered takeout during a fast. Next, let's talk about the 9-minute Autophagy activation bowl. Grab your pressure cooker and toss in some sweet potatoes and kale stems. This combo demolishes mTOR, a protein complex that slows down cellular cleanup. Top it with avocado and hemp seeds to balance those omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. UCLA's 2025 trial found this recipe reduced hunger hormones 4.1 times more effectively than salads. It's like giving your cells a spa day. Your cutting board ain't got nothing on this. And now, the 6-minute Electrolyte recharge smoothie. This one's a game changer. Blend magnesium-rich spinach with coconut water ice cubes. This trick restores your fasting electrolytes 300% faster than supplements. Dr. Elena Torres from the 2025 Fasting Tech Summit says, fasting without strategic sodium-potassium balance is like running a Tesla on AA batteries. So let's juice up the right way. Subscribe now. 2025 Flash Recipe Kit. Quick fix MIT's freezer hacks and NASA's electrolyte formulas. Your fasting kitchen upgraded. So smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay fasted, stay awesome.